This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Apply the handbrake. Prise the plastic covers from the wheel bolts where applicable. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the dorsal flange. Raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Using a trolley jack, slightly raise the trailing arm. Slacken and remove the lower shock absorber mounting bolt. Remove the upper mounting bolt and withdraw the shock absorber from the wheel arch. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, then refit the upper mounting bolt. Lightly tighten the bolt at this stage. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the trailing arm, then insert the lower mounting bolt and lightly tighten it. Tighten the upper mounting bolt to the specified torque. Tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque and remove the trolley jack. Locate the wheel over the hub, aligning the bolt holes. Insert the retaining bolts and lightly tighten them. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Press the plastic caps into place over the wheel bolts.